since pageant nowadays is like sports, but it's for sports, no? Sports. My question. Oh, again. So my question is, how can you handle winning and losing?
So, for me, magiging professional na po tayo sa mga ganong bagay. Win or lose, may mga opportunity pa rin po naman dyan. And then, maging tahimik lang po tayo if ever na natalo. And pag nanalo, gawin natin yung best natin para mas lalo pang mahigitan yung sarili natin.
Meron pa po?
Hello. Just a simple question. No? What do you think are the benefits of participating in male pageants?
Okay. So we all know that the Mr. of Pilipinas is one of the, most prestigious pageant in the Philippines. So I think it will give a lot of opportunity sa mga co-candidates ko. Okay, thank you.
Hi, Lex. First of all, congratulations on the top for joining this year for Mr. Pilipinas 2025. So my question to you is, you mentioned earlier na nagkanina ka sa pageantry for 2 years. So given that time frame, what do you think is the difference of how you handle pressure in 2023 compared to how you will handle the pressures of, bringing the crown to Binyan this year?
Okay, so yun nga po, nung 2023 po kasi, parang walang nagsusupport po sa akin talaga. But now, thanks to my managers, natulong sa akin